Imagine you're a teenager from a small Japanese fishing village, setting sail with your friends for what should be a routine trip. A sudden storm changes everything, sweeping you hundreds of miles away, leaving you stranded on a deserted island. Months later, you're rescued, but instead of returning home, you end up in America, becoming the first recorded Japanese person to ever set foot on American soil. This isn't a movie plot. It's the real story of John Manjiro, a young Japanese fisherman whose unexpected journey would change not only his life, but the course of Japanese history. In 1841, 14-year-old Manjiro and his 4 friends were caught in a relentless storm that raged for a week, pushing them 300 miles from Japan. They crashed on an abandoned island, where they survived for 5 months, living off of whatever they could scavenge. Just when all hope seemed lost, a passing American whaling ship rescued them. The crew took them to the Kingdom of Hawaii. While his friends chose to stay there, Manjiro had bigger dreams. He was taken in by the ship's captain, who gave him the name John and brought him to Massachusetts. There, Manjiro attended school, learning English, navigation, and shipbuilding skills that would prove invaluable to him later in life. Eventually, he made his way back to Japan, but his return was anything but simple. Japan was still under strict isolationist policies, and foreign influence was forbidden. Once word of his return reached the ears of his daimyo, he was immediately summoned and questioned. But, instead of punishment, he was made a samurai, a rare honor for someone of his background. His knowledge of the outside world made him invaluable when Commodore Perry arrived in 1853, demanding Japan open its borders to America. Manjiro became a key translator and advisor, helping shape Japan's response to this historic moment. From a humble fisherman to a samurai, a boy stranded to a bridge between nations, John Manjiro's incredible journey is proof that sometimes the most unexpected detours lead to the greatest destinations. His story is a reminder that curiosity and resilience can change not just one life, but the course of history itself. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, here are a few more worth checking out, and I'll see you guys all next time.